Hello, my name is Carlos Andres Acosta. I'm living in the city of Cartagena. I am working in mechanical technician. I study electronic engineering. My consequence of illegal mining is in the mouth of the environment. However, the more removal of the surface layer of the land causes the instability on the land and when the rock formation are exposed. Erosion, erosion occurs, which undermine cause of landslide. Likewise, the indiscriminate use of dynamite accelerates this process of separation of rock and fall in the land, resulting in geopolitical and topographical changes. Geological in the main impact is on natural forests, moorland on the water tributaries that, when contamination, cause the loss of resources, species, and animals in danger of extinction. In terms of the water resource, open pits, mining increases, sediment content and causes the expansion of the river beds result in landslide transformation, flooding, and loss of the crop. And in addition, the use of chemical and heavy metal cause contamination of the water bodies with the dumping of solids. Domestic and industrial water specialty related domain activities. Socially, in areas subject the mining exploration, there is generally an unnecessary increase in the public service, violence, loss the culture, the massive population migration, social inequity, change in economic and social activity, growing poverty for families whose livelihood depend on agricultural activity and above all, the land becomes improductive and is abandoned. A possible solution is this problem is to generate more source of employment employers their practice and carry out in order to gradually replace with other trades. Thank you.